Hola chicos, good morning, good evening, good afternoon guys, welcome back to another Unplanned video. Today I'm in Imposter at the market, having a little look around, and I've got a good surprise tonight. I'll talk about that later, and it's going to be its own video. But we're just having a little look around the market, seeing what's here. I'm looking for some vests still. I'll show you around. Right, while I'm in Imposter, I want to go and have a look at this church, see if I can go inside. I'll show you. I'm just trying to cram as much as I can into today, because tomorrow we go home. Pam decided to book the flights and wants to go home, and I understand where she's coming from. She can't manage in the heat and it's too hot for her to be out during the day, but I'm pretty devastated, to be honest. So back to the grind, back to real life from Thursday. But I'm going to make the most of my last 2 days, and I've got something good planned for this evening. Right, we're back in La Rapida now. I'm just walking up to me Pam. Had a couple of beers, and I'm really devastated we're going home tomorrow, to be honest. Oh well. Then we're going to go and get some food, because I haven't eaten anything all day. And then going to the stadium. I messaged him, asked could I have a little tour around. They said yeah, come up at 7:30. So it's currently 6:10. So that's what I'm going to do. Just heading down now, get Pam. So I've just met Pam now. We're going to get some food, but it looks like we've missed this paint festival. I didn't know anything about it. The brochure doesn't say anything about it. Look, people like covered in paint like they do in India. And the other day, yesterday's video, I said there's 3 things I've wanted to see. 1, the human tower. 2, the tomato throne. And 3, that paint festival. Ugh. So we're just waiting for our pizza that we've ordered from here, Pizza Max. This will be the first food we've both had to eat all day. And then we've got the stadium, which should be pretty good. Getting a little tour around. I'm going to ask Van to take the drone off from the middle, like the centre circle, fly it up, well Pam will fly it up, get some footage around. Should be pretty nice. Good to see. And La Rapida have just been promoted to the next league up, which I think is the Spanish 3rd division, which is pretty huge for this little town. I'll put the name of the club in here. Right, we've just walked up the stadium now. I need to go and ask for the guy, and I think this is where we go. So I'm just inside the trophy room now. You can see all the different trophies the club have won over the years. The flags over here. Every time a team play, they exchange a flag. So you can see they've had some pretty big teams here. Awesome. So I just sent an email asking if I'd have a look around. They showed me the trophy room. I've just met the managing director of the club, who's just sorting the wages out in this room here for the next season, which starts on the 11th of September. Now I'm getting to have a look in the commentary box. Here's their training pitch down here. This is amazing, and it's fake grass. They're the only club in the Catalan who play on fake grass. So this is all the stands here. So this is the players' changing room that have like the drinks and stuff down here. I'm guessing showers through here, toilet, kit room. This is insane, man. So he's just been saying there's 8 people from La Rábida, this town, who play for the first team, and the rest are obviously like other Catalonians, but like they don't really have Spanish players play for them. It's just they're so proud to be Catalonian and from the Catalan that they represent their own, you know. But have a look at this, like a little multi-function sports bit here. And then over here is the training pitch, I'm guessing. We'll go over and have a look at that. Just been home, got changed, just so I come for a little walk down the beach, because this time tomorrow I'll be flying back. So I just thought I'd have like one last little look around. They're setting the stage up here, a little band playing, but that was so awesome to have a little look around the football stadium just off sending one email. They were like, yeah, come down, so super cool. Walking past that music now, and I'm just gonna head back now. So there is a weight race tomorrow, an actual weight race, not like a bar crawl like the last one. So I'll try and get some footage of that.
Así tiraban las barcas a la mar. Aquí Sian y está la Virgen del Carmen.
Yeah.
Oficina de los niños.
Amazing.
Con caña de bambú.
El carril de Victòria arrencant amb molta força. El carril de l'Esca aguantant-li la pressió. No va pegar a la curva. Johnny que apreta. Johnny que fa poca cervesa. I Johnny que...
Thank you so much for watching, subscribing. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.